Good morning, people. Just got off work. Shit. I need some Dr. Pepper. But even though I just got off work, I still gotta feed my stray cats. Something I enjoy doing. I enjoy seeing animals eat. Not just cats, dogs, coyotes. I even like seeing skunks eat. All animals should have food. So, let me get to work. Make sure these cats have some food. Sometimes they're out there when I go to greet them. Let's see. So far, no. Rocky. 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 Gotta get them their treats. Temptations. Cats love that stuff. Cats love that stuff. And then they need their water. I got my cats fed. I got all my cats fed. It's a joy. It's a joy to feed cats. I love it. And as long as I'm living here, where I'm living, I will never stop feeding cats. I had a cat when I was a teenager, and and it died. Um, it my parents would let it, roam around outside, and it got a chicken bone. Gets caught in his throat, and he ended up dying. And that was the first cat I ever had. His name was Nippy. All right, talk to you later. Bye.